We made it to Miami. We are here at Hotel Indigo, and tomorrow morning we are boarding Icon of the Seas. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is officially cruise day. It is time to board Icon of the Seas. So we're going to head to Port Miami now, and I'm going to hopefully fly my drone, get some awesome shots of Icon, and then it's embarkation time. Well, that was just a quick drone flight because we are super excited to get on. This ship is massive. It's right behind us now. We're on top of the parking garage. We have the key because it only costs us $500 total for both of us. So let's go see what the key is like on Icon of the Seas. Let's go board the ship. All right, Britt, it's time to board Icon of the Seas. Almost time to step foot on Icon. Here we go, stepping foot on the beautiful Icon of the Seas, greeted straight by the Pearl. This is incredible. Wow, the Pearl just looks incredible. But they want us to go to our muster station, so we're gonna head there now. We are B4, which is the Royal Theater. Well, our muster station was super simple. There's the Royal Theater. There's where we came in by the Pearl. So now we get to go get some first impressions of the ship. It's going to be overwhelming, but we're really excited to be on Icon. The details of this ship are just incredible. The balloon drop is tonight at midnight, so hopefully we're awake for it because we definitely want to see this. So I'll let you guys know later in the night, but right now we're just going to walk around the ship and wait for our complimentary Chops Grille lunch since we are the key. Wow, so we're up on deck 6 where you come up the stairway of the Pearl, and here's the Pearl Cafe, but look at these windows that just look straight out over the sea. This is going to be an incredible spot to grab some breakfast. Like, why are there giant dominoes here? I don't know. It's Icon. It just makes sense. Just look at how beautiful Surfside is. We've never seen this before because we skipped Oasis class completely and came straight to the Icon class, but we are going on Utopia of the Seas in November. We will definitely be spending a lot of time. Look at the entrance to Casino Royale. It goes pretty far back and it goes into the music hall, but everything on this ship is just so beautiful. One thing that Icon of the Seas has is you actually select which deck you're going to. We want to go check out Chill Island and probably Thrill Island. I know Carnival tried this at one point, but it shows you out of all the elevators here which one you're going to be going to, and then it takes you right up there. And then you get in, you don't press any buttons other than shutting the door real quick. And this is to limit the crowds. I guess we're going 5, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Time to take a quick peek at Chill Island. Wow. Definitely gonna be spending a lot of time up here on this cruise. So obviously these casinos are going to be way too expensive to book for the day. I'll get back to you guys later, but I hope this is free right here because this area just looks incredible. You have great views off the side of the ship. There's Crown's Edge right there. Still undecided on that since it's kind of expensive, but this ship is just taking our breath away. Hands down, already my favorite cruise ship. This is so cool. Looks like it's jumping right down into Central Park. But we are hungry. We got our Chops Grille complimentary lunch for having the key. So we're gonna head there now. Then after that, we're gonna go to our stateroom. I'm gonna give you guys a cabin tour. We are in a regular ocean view balcony. So I'll see you guys at Chops lunch. So here's the menu for our complimentary lunch for having the key. I'm definitely gonna be going with the 6-ounce Angus filet mignon. And then of course the New York cheesecake. Britt, you excited to be on Icon?
Oh yeah.
There's my filet mignon, cooked perfectly medium rare. And then, of course, Brittany got a burger. And last but not least, for our complimentary lunch is the cheesecake. Oh, these seat passes are really cool. And here is our room, Stateroom 12160. Right off the bat, it's super modern. This is beautiful. It feels pretty spacious in here too. So let's give you guys a tour. All right, so first up is the bathroom. Very nice design. I like that there's actually some storage space right there. And I love that it's a glass door shower. And you even have a seat in here, which is pretty cool. And the shower head looks nice, but yeah, I'm not gonna mind taking showers in here. It looks pretty spacious. And the toilet, I actually can kick out my legs and barely touch right there, so that's nice. Basic sink, and it has 2 outlets. This is a pretty nice bathroom. Let's keep going. The thermostats are touchscreen, which is cool. You can control the temperature there. Obviously, that's in Celsius, because if it was 22 degrees Fahrenheit in here, it'd be snowing. This mirror is actually kind of like a hidden closet. It's got a safe. I always use a safe. You guys know that if you watch my vlogs. Next to the bed, there's some closet space here and here. Not a lot of closet space, honestly. I mean, there's a good spot to put shoes, flip-flops, and stuff like that. Next to the bed, you do have a USB, and you have a regular plug there. And this is just the general layout of a standard balcony room. Super nice, but let's go head out and see what the balcony's like. And as always, we're going to spend a lot of time here. Right now, they're refueling the ship down there. Got the beautiful view, with a nice ship actually right there, of Miami. Yeah, this is going to be a great cabin. Definitely going to enjoy this for 7 days. Time to go hit the Aqua Action show at the Aqua Dome. Unfortunately, the show had technical difficulties, so they postponed it to day 5, which our reservation just carries over to then. So stay tuned for the vlogs, because the rest of the show will be in it. But we're going to go to the casino, and then we're going to do the balloon drop at midnight. It's only 9 p.m. right now, so we got a ways to go. But until then, appreciate the lights. Like, look at this. The doorway lights, the lights that go up and around the TV, the shelves, the mirror. This room is just so well lit. Definitely one of my favorite staterooms we've ever stayed in.